Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2022 Kia Sportage SX. Couple minor updates for 2022, including software and navigation. I'm gonna grab my water bottle that ended up there. I'll just put it here so I can throw it away after. Total price of $36,580, which is actually a bargain. 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo. Yeah, Pacific Blue over black. With the refreshed Sportage coming for 2023, this one is, I think, the only 2022 Kia with that badge. All the other ones, we have 2021 Fortes, 2021 Neros. So I haven't seen if they have the new badging yet, but this one still has the old badge. But pretty sweet car. This one's fully loaded too, so. Ventilated seats, nice leather. Do have downhill brake control. So we'll go ahead and try that. It's going to hold a constant speed as you go down the hill. Pretty cool. I love that feature, especially if you're coming down a mountain. It does it all by itself. You don't have to sit there and worry about, am I giving it too much brake here? Am I overheating the brakes? Am I going too fast? Does it all for you. Two-liter 4. Plenty of power. Base motor is a 2.4 liter inline 4, naturally aspirated. No turbos on that one. This is the upgraded turbo motor. You know how you can tell if it's a turbo motor on the Sportage? Normal, the 2.4 has one exhaust tip. Turbos have two. That's how I can tell which one's a turbo. all in all, the Sportage is really a great vehicle. Pretty quirky too. It has very distinctive styling with the turbocharged power. It's just a lot of fun to drive. I love driving them. I think these are our most popular models. Either that or the Telluride right now. Do have a manual mode. I'll go ahead and try that out now. Some people might be interested in what that's like, so. So here's an example. One exhaust tip, non-turbo. This one's an older one, non-turbo. We have a turbo lined up behind this line. I'll show you there. See how these all don't have the dual tip? There's a turbo, 2 exhaust tips, and typically that silver looks like a skid plate, but that silver plastic, that's another indication. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.